Olympic. That is the division that most of these athletes come out of and have been competing in over the last several years. Many other athletes come out of the elite system. That's a little bit of a higher standard of gymnastics, but most compete at the JO level, and that's where they compete nationally if they can qualify. Nice, strong, powerful music. Front layout to a Rudy. That's a front 1.5. Showing great facial expression.
I love how their leotards are sparkling in this light. I think that's one of the fans' favorite parts is what leotards is LSU going to wear? What leotards is Arizona going to wear? All the Swarovski sparkles. They've really come a long way over the years.
They're like evening gowns now.
They are.
And they're pricey as well.
Oh my goodness, yes. Very nice double pike.
I love the confidence in this routine. So aggressive. Most routines will have 3 tumbling passes, although not all. You can get all of your requirements with 2 tumbling passes.
Okay, you ladies piqued my